Ahoy, it's Alicia from Time to Travel and I'm here on board Scarlet Lady. I'm taking you through cabin 15315 Zulu today. This is a Posh Suite. It is one of two of this category on board and it is a 4-berth cabin. It is in the Mega Rockstar category, so you are like it in a bit when you come on board here. So first of all, we do have our lounge area, and this will also become the second bedroom if you are sailing with 3 or 4 passengers. This couch will come out and convert to a double bed, or if you did want it as 2 singles, they can bring an extra bed for you. Now, of course, you have your guitar. If you happen to play guitar, you can request an acoustic or an electric, and you can also request an amp because, let's face it, you are a mega rock star. Now you have your PlayStation TV, US outlet, European outlet, and then some USBs over there and to US. You can store things underneath in here, which is handy. And you can request games for your PlayStation. Here on the wall, you do have your bar. Now this bar is bottomless, so they will replenish it every day for you. You can drink until your heart's content. And you have some beautiful glassware to use here as well. You have the bar paraphernalia. And some other drawers here for storage. Underneath, you will find your refrigerator, splits, and some more drawers to store things. In every suite on board Virgin Voyages, you do get a turntable, as well as a selection of vinyl. You can request other vinyls. You'll always find Tubular Bells and the Sex Pistols there. I think it's a nice touch. Now the advantage of this cabin is you have an extra powder room. So just in here, you'll find a sink and a toilet. That is handy if you are sailing with more than 2 passengers. It is handy even if you are sailing with 2 sailors because each of you can own a toilet. Or if you are entertaining and you have friends over, you've got that spare toilet. Here we have the storage. You've got your 4 life jackets. Hangers, you can always ask for more. Some storage down below. And then you have these really handy baskets to put things in. Or if you would rather just use that space, you can pop them down there. You could stack them, put them away. There is your safe. And then just some quite shallow drawers here. Now, while I'm here, let me show you the actual bathroom. Now, this one is pretty sexy. You can have a look up here that they have blocked out the mirror. So at the sailor's request, they may not want to be able to see into the shower. They may just be friends traveling together and not intimate partners. So that is what it looks like when you request to block out the window. This one is missing the additional glass piece that prevents splashing. So I think this one would get quite wet out in the public area. So do mind your step. You do have a lot of storage there, particularly under the mirror. There's a great shelf there, as well as right underneath the sink is also great for storage. And you'll find under there, you have your slippers because rock stars should have slippers, as well as a RockStar robe. Now coming out, let me show you the bedroom. And as we're talking about this privacy frosting, you can see that it is just suctioned on there. And I've been in a lot of suites, and that is the first time that I've actually seen that, so good reference. Now underneath the bed, let's look at your storage. Here you have the drawers. They are quite high. I like to put packing cubes in there. And then your outlets on each side is 2 USBs and a US power outlet. Now, the one thing that the jury's out on for me is this dressing area here. I would prefer it to be out of the bedroom in case you're letting your other half sleep in and you wanted to get ready. You're going to obviously need some lights. So for me, that should be out in the general area, but this is where it is. Heat-proof mat for your hair straightener and a US and European plug. Let me know in the comments below, would you prefer this dressing area to be out in the other area, or does it not matter? You've got a seat there, and I just caught my knee on the corner of this bed. And this is probably the 12th video that I've recorded today, and every single one I've been talking about watch your knees on the corner, and I just hit my own. Now, you can ask your room steward to put a towel over it. They can kind of tuck it in. The other configuration for the beds is a curved bed. Now, they have put these on this ship in the new Seriously suites because they have just been converted in the latest dry dock down on deck 11. And Resilient Lady actually has all the beds with the curved corner. So just do watch out. But while I'm down here, underneath here you can put easily 2 suitcases, 2 rollerboards, and they're right out of the way. Now taking a look outside at your terrace. Obviously it's great for entertaining. You have your own shower, though you can't use it when you're in port. Obviously your hammock and table and chairs, 2 lounges, and a couch. Now, if you've looked at our other cabin tours of the Cheeky Corner Suite and the Suite Aft Suite, some of them don't have that extra padding. They're just a regular lounger. So having this is much better, much more comfortable. So what do you think of this posh suite on board Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady? If you want to check out more of the suites and cabins, just click here. Thanks so much for watching, and happy cruising.